Welcome to Cloveron Tech News. Have you ever wondered how some people wake up every morning to notifications that they've made money overnight? Imagine earning income while you're sleeping, working your regular job, or even watching Netflix. Sounds too good to be true. Well, today I'm going to show you a few apps that are helping thousands of people generate passive income, and one of them might be exactly what you're looking for. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's be clear. These apps won't make you rich overnight. They're not magic money machines, but when used correctly, they can help create additional streams of income that continue generating money with little ongoing effort. And in today's economy, having multiple income streams is becoming more important than ever. The first app is HoneyGain. HoneyGain allows users to earn money by sharing unused internet bandwidth. Here's how it works. Most of us pay for internet plans that we never fully use. HoneyGain lets businesses access portions of that unused bandwidth for activities like market research and web intelligence. Once you install the app on your phone, tablet, or computer, it runs quietly in the background. You don't need to complete surveys, watch ads, or perform any tasks. The app tracks how much bandwidth is shared and pays you accordingly. The more devices connected, the higher your potential earnings. While it won't replace a full-time income, many users appreciate it because it requires almost no effort after setup. Next is Sweatcoin. This app literally rewards you for walking. Every step you take is converted into digital currency called Sweatcoins. These rewards can be exchanged for products, discounts, gift cards, and in some cases, cash opportunities through partner programs. Think about it. You're already walking every day. Whether you're going to work, exercising, or shopping, you can turn those daily steps into rewards. It's one of the easiest ways to earn from an activity you're already doing. If you shop online, Rakuten is an app you should know about. Instead of spending money and getting nothing back, Rakuten gives users cashback on purchases from thousands of major retailers. Here's the simple process. You shop through Rakuten's platform, make your purchase as usual, and receive a percentage of your spending back as cashback. Many users earn hundreds of dollars per year just by redirecting purchases they were already planning to make. It's not technically passive income at first, but once it becomes a habit, the rewards add up with very little effort. Now let's talk about something with much bigger earning potential. The Airbnb app. If you have an extra room, guest house, or even an unused property, Airbnb allows you to generate income by renting that space to travelers. Many hosts receive bookings automatically once their listings are set up properly. Some even hire cleaning services and automate guest communication, turning the process into a highly passive business. Of course, this option requires an asset to begin with, but the income potential is significantly higher than most passive income apps. The truth is that passive income isn't about finding one perfect app. It's about combining multiple small income streams that work together. One app might earn a few dollars per month. Another might save you money. And another could generate larger returns over time. The key is consistency. Start with one app, learn how it works, and gradually expand. Small amounts earned consistently can grow into something meaningful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ways to earn money online and build passive income. Which of these apps would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.